In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure or inform you about the steps how you can use the Lidl Plus app without creating an account. In order to use the Lidl Plus app without creating an account, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, go ahead and install the application from your respective app store. And on the search box, type in Lidl Plus and then click the open button. If you don't want to create an account, you have to first of all select the country that you're residing in. When you're done selecting the country, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look exactly like this. Now you can use a Lidl Plus account without creating an account. However, you'll not be able to do any sort of transaction, any sort of activity like buying or any of these adding it to your wish list or to your cart and all that. Those options will be disabled, which means that in order to use the following feature, you'll have to register with your valid mobile number and an email address to your Lidl Plus account. So unfortunately, it's only going to be a showcase, which means that you can only visit or look for the product that's available, but you'll not be able to perform any of the activity. So that's basically how you can use the Lidl Plus app without creating an account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.